Have you ever had a night where you just couldn't sleep? You're not alone. Last year, Mark and Susan from Scottsdale, Arizona were up at 2 a.m., again, staring at the ceiling, wondering if they were going to lose everything they'd worked for. They'd just retired, rolled over $515,000 from Mark's 401k, and were watching the market swing like a wrecking ball. But today, they sleep like babies. Why? Because they made one decision that changed everything. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you what they did, and why now might be the most important moment in your life to consider the same move. So stick around, because this isn't just another buy gold video. This is about protecting the retirement you've spent decades building. Let's talk about what's really happening right now. Just last week, inflation data showed core prices are still rising faster than expected, even with interest rates sky high. The Fed says they're holding off cuts, but Wall Street's already panicking, and real people, they're the ones paying the price. Food, fuel, housing, it's all going up. And if you're in or near retirement, you don't have time to wait for things to settle down. That's why people like Mark and Susan looked at their nest egg and asked, what if the market drops again? What if our dollar keeps losing value? What if we can't recover in time? So they took action. They rolled over part of their retirement into a gold IRA. Not all of it, just a smart slice, about $203,000, into physical gold, held in a self-directed account. No crypto, no gimmicks, no free silver bait, just stability. And here's what happened. When banks started faltering earlier this year, they didn't panic. When the dollar lost 14% of its value compared to gold over 18 months, they didn't flinch, because they had a hedge. They had peace of mind. This isn't about timing the market or betting on gold like a stock. It's about protecting what you've already earned, especially if you have $100,000 or more in a retirement account. So here's the good news. You can get the same education Mark and Susan did. They started with a free Gold IRA guide and a short, no-pressure, one-on-one call with a real specialist. No call centers, no pushy sales pitch, just honest answers. If you're 55 or older and want to understand how a Gold IRA works, and if it's right for you, then this is a no-brainer. Click the link, request your free guide, and schedule your educational call. Because you worked too hard to leave your retirement exposed. You deserve to sleep soundly at night, knowing your future isn't riding on the next interest rate decision or bank failure. Mark and Susan made the call. That was the turning point in their story. Yours could start right now.